Let's get ready to rumble!
The next logical choice would be the DS18b20 waterproof sensor. Let's go ahead and begin. Now we got our 4.7K resistor, because that's what you use with these. So I'm going to put mine at 34 and 29. Alright, and the next thing we're going to do is get it hot from there to there. I'll go ahead and hook the negative up first. Just put it right here on the outside. Just put it anywhere really. Again, I hate working with some tiny wires, but I'm not planning on using this board over and over, so I guess I could just shove it straight on. All right. Wrap this up and make it a little bit easier to work with. Alright, so now what we're going to do is this yellow one's the one that's going to communicate with the board. Let's go ahead and put it here. And this red one we're going to put on the same as this one. And since this is going to be a pain, I'm going to do a little small bit on this side first. Alright, now we flip it. Then that. And now, here is where this comes in. We're actually going to do this one right here to here on your 5-volt side. I'm just checking a few other connections while I was over here. And now we are almost done. Now all we have left is to go from here to the pin we're going to use, and we're probably just going to use pin D2. We're going to go, should make this one long, so we're going to do this. So D2. Here. Almost made it too short, go figure. Kind of just get it where you want it. one side real quick first, I guess. Alright, now we got this one. Now we're going to grab, put it in this one. Flip it one more time. And put it there. And same thing as always, you're going to push and touch the soldering gun to it to make it go down all the way. And that's it. So just to review, we're resisting this to 5 volts, because that's what this sensor requires, but this reads only temperature. And then I'm going to do the same thing I did with the other one, where I'm going to kind of hot glue it like I did here. That way it all fits on there better. I mean, not fits on there, that way it doesn't like worry about coming off or anything like that. But I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.